Okay, so this video I'm installing my first time beads. So what I did basically was copy the raw MD file from the install EMD from beads. Uh, yeah, I pasted on Cloud Code right here and said, yeah, they have a lot of different ways of installing. And I said, yeah, install this. I'm using Windows 11. It checked different ways of installing and yeah, didn't work. So he sent me a command line tool to install it myself. So right now I'm installing it. There we go. So I'm gonna copy this output, paste it right here. It's installed with this in mind. Let's try it out on the project we are in. Keep in mind, we are going to code with these issues on a new branch. So yeah, let's add a task for make a channel log um, based on automatic GitHub commits that will be displayed on the home page as a header overlay. Let's try it out. So yeah, it's setting the variable path. Okay, that's good. It's checking the variable path. Didn't work. It's trying different forward slashes because it's Windows. So yeah, it did work. It's gonna initialize and then starts the beats project on my programs. Okay. Git checkout overlay. So it created a new branch. That's nice. Okay, so right now he's adding the issue to beads, fetches the history, parses the commit messages, display a header overlay on the homepage, dismissible, show recent changes, updates to the server, and all. Stylize consistently with exciting style theme, mobile responsive, and be toggle dismissed by the user. Create bids issue on a channel log feature. Yeah, sounds good. Nice. It is initialized. There's a branch. Um, the issue is also there. Okay, uh, looks good. So let me see if he changed a little bit of the code. Let me see the branch actually. Let me zoom in a bit. So feature overlay. Let's see. I never used beads, so I don't know how I can check this. Uh, planned implementation. Yes. So it creates. Oh, okay. So it creates. Goes into the exe local program db show. Oh, so it's full on the CLI. Okay. Let's all the beads. Okay. Mm, nice. Yeah. So there's the terminal beads list. See all the issues. So let me try it out. the new terminal right here. I need to be on the terminal of the thing right here. It's not found as a command. Um, okay. Um, got the agent. So let me see the interactions right here. There's nothing here. The issues. Log overlay commits, description, fetches. Let me Alt C right here. Oh, so it stays on the repository right here. Okay, that's cool. Um, issues JSON. So what I got is basically is going to keep different issues that you create on them. So if I keep talking right here for implementation plan or actually coding, it will follow it and then commit to this branch. So yeah, the installation was pretty fast. I basically copied the raw instructions file for installing it. It told me, okay, so your system, you just paste this on your terminal and it will install it. I, I said what was the new implementation that we will be doing, and already got set it up, and now it's the coding part. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see ya.